Delete columns based on repeat value in one row in numpy array. I'm hoping to delete columns in my arrays that have repeat entries in row 1 as shown below. Row 1 has repeats of values 1 and 2.5, so one of each of those values have been deleted, together with the column each deleted value lies within. Ways I was thinking of included using some function that checked for repeats, giving a true response for the second, or more, time a value turned up in the dataset, then using that response to delete the row. That or possibly using the return indices function within numpy.unique. I just can't quite find a way through it or find the right function though. If I could find a way to return a mean value in the row 3 of the retained repeat and the deleted one, that would be even better, see below. Thanks in advance for any help you can give to a beginner who is stumped.
You can use the optional arguments that come with np.unique and then use np.binCount to use the last row as weights to get the final averaged output, like so. Sample run. As can be seen that the output has now an order with the second row being sorted. If you are looking to keep the order as it was originally, use np.argsort of unkit, like so.
You can find the indices of wanted columns using unique. Then use a simple indexing to get the desired columns.
This is a typical grouping problem, which can be solved elegantly and efficiently using the numpy_indexed package. Disclaimer: I am its author. Note that there are many other reductions than mean. If you want the original behavior you described, you could replace mean with first, for instance.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.